Alright, this is the material tracker spreadsheet. I'm just going to explain this. So as you can see, we have both the standard filament and we have a special filament section. These correspond to the two different pricing rates on the print log sheet. So as you can see, for price rate, you have standard and special. Those two are available where you can see that. Yeah. So back here, you can see that you can choose like the type, the color. This is automated, so don't touch this column. That shows the weight. You can put your brand, quantity, item cost, and then this portion gets automatically calculated. I'm just gonna start putting in some. I'll just start putting in some information. So do PLA. Let's do blue. And then, I don't know, let's just use eSun as a brand. We'll put that there. We will say that we're buying 2 spools of this material. And then, I don't know, let's just say that the cost of that's $10. So as you can see, you have $10. You bought 2 of them, that's $20. You'll see that show up here. And then if you notice, you'd notice that this also changed. So we have our standard blue PLA, 2,000 grams. That's what's available. So 1,000 times 2, that'd be 2,000. We haven't used any material, so it's at 100%. Just for quick demonstration purposes, I'll go to the other spreadsheet, and then I will change this to the one that we just wrote. So STD standard blue PLA. I change that. Go back to the material tracker, and then you'll see that this is updated, and you'll see that this amount of material, this much of the material has been used. That was a mouthful for some reason. So that's that. And then if we go down here, this section is where you can like customize the spool weight. So everything above this portion is default 1,000 grams or 1 kilogram. Over here you can customize it, so you can put like 500. You can put, I don't know, I don't really know what the other ones are. It's either 500 or 3,000. So let's say your spool is only like 500 grams. I can then do PLA or whatever. I'll do ABS just to switch it up. ABS, let's just say clear. And then, I don't know, same brand, eSun. And then let's say we buy 1 of those. And let's say this is, well, let's say probably a little bit more expensive. We'll say $20. So as you can see, customizable spool weight is 500. Then you have 500 grams. If I double that, that'll be the 1,000. If I bump that up to 4, that's 2,000 grams. You guys get the idea. And then the information from this side gets automatically put on this side. So that should be a decent enough explanation of this part. Yeah, if you have like federal or provincial taxes on your materials that you buy, you can put it up here. I'm in Canada, so that would be I think it's 5% for federal and 13% for provincial, or other way around, I forget. So that'll total up for your GST and HST. And then the special filament section is identical to the first section, so I don't really need to go over that. Yeah, if you go over here, you can see some more information. So this will more or less show you like the material consumption. So yeah, in the standard blue PLA, we use this amount, and then it'll show the usage for each of these material types. Right now I only have 1 entry, so you're only going to see that. And then also over here we have an area where you can see like how many times PLA has been used. That's just to see if see the popularity insights on which materials like popular. Over here you can put notes. You can also do quick notes for the material that you buy. Same thing for down here. Down here is for if you don't know the usage of the material that you bought. So you can just go ahead and fill in the information here, and it should work the same as this. So right now we can do red, blue, green. You can choose your type, and then it'll count your material usage. And then you can also put the brand. Again, more quick notes. So yeah, that should be a decent enough walkthrough of how to use a spreadsheet. There's going to be another video explaining the client tracker. Yeah, stay tuned for that. I'll be uploading that soon. Also, before I forget, to have these options like shown here, you have to go to the drop-down list and actually insert these colors individually or manually for it to actually show up in the material tracker. So yeah, that should be it. Yeah.